Yo, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to Eyes on Screen, and today we're coming with another crazy, busy, buzzer banger. And today we're reacting on this other music video. This is Ndu. This song here is crazy, guys. I won't lie, it's Ndu. So, when Ndu comes, things are heavy, bro. You know what I mean? Things are crazy. And this song here, I'm sure it's gonna be fire. I won't lie. Let's just react to this energy and see what's cutting. You know what I mean? Yes, sir.
Tanana yo, tanana, tanana, oh tanana, tanana yo, tanana. So tell me, tanana, oh tanana.
I know you like it, yeah, you like my vibe, yeah. I got you excited, now you're so alone when you're night. You're so alone when you're night. Are you Ubuhle Bakho, mina ngcwele. Abangani bakho banesicelo. Uthi ngiyamthanda ngathi mina baby aliwele.
Oh, so he's charming one lady there, you know what I mean? He's trying to show the beauty of a woman, trying to express the beauty of a lady, And then they're asking him if he loves her, and then he was like, "Yes, I do love her." Adiwele. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is crazy. Nah. Bruh, online. Multi record. No, they're doing the most, bruh. They do the most. Online. W to Nah, this guy got words, bruh. Online. Nah, it's crazy. It's crazy. I won't lie. These guys, they are talented, bro. I won't lie. The multi records, they are talented, bro. They are talented. I'm sure that's why even when Ambitious saw these people going out, they were like, "Hey, where are you going? We're gonna put you in the court." And then they on the case. You know what I mean? These guys are fire. I won't lie. And they are just smart. I won't lie. These people, they are smart. They are very smart. Don't play with them. They are smart. They know how to do business. For me, these guys here, they know how to do business. I won't lie. I don't see anyone else. I only see you. I see your love. I see your spirit. You know what I mean? Don't make people go in your relationship, guys. If you say you are in love with the person, don't let people control you all. You know what I mean? If you say you're dating and you're in love, you must control each other. You know what I mean? Control each other. Make sure you're sticking to each other. Stick to the love that you have for each other. Make sure you stick together. Connect. Connection is the key, bro. I won't lie. Connection is the key. And when it comes to relationships, you know what you want together. So if you say things are not working out, don't force it. Just let it go. Separate fast, or stick together when you see things are working out. That's the advice I'm gonna give to people, especially to young boys. You know what I mean? Don't try and catch feelings and start holding things like, "Hey, bruh, hey." I feel like he released this song. Why he released it now? I don't know, bro. Like I don't know. I don't know why he decided to release this song now. You know what I mean? I don't know why he just decided that he's gonna release this song now. Because this is fire. It's a good song, but I feel like he's not supposed to release it now. He's supposed to release it maybe when it's Valentine. But also, I feel like he's trying to motivate the ladies there. You know what I mean? And it's lit. It's good. I won't lie. It's nice.
Baby,
I really love the way they put this thing. The quality of the video is crazy. The person who directed this song, he tried all his best. Quality was there, everything is there. Like the ladies, you can see they got that power, that energy. You know what I mean? This song is fire, bro. Like I won't lie, this song out of 10, it's a 10, bro. For me, it's a 10. I really love this song. The way it's everything about it, the way it starts, the way it's finished. There's a story in it. It's telling a story. It's telling a story of love. You know what I mean? I don't know what it's trying to do, but hey, I feel like they are doing something crazy. Him and the other guy, Danya, they are doing crazy things when it comes to love, and they are good when it comes to love stories. Don't touch them. You can't touch these guys. You can't touch this type of songs, this type of beats, and the sound. W to them. I won't lie. W to them. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share. Don't forget to hit the notification bells, please, bro. Do the most. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you so much.